Alright guys, we're here at the 2018 Father's Day Rodeo Concorsa di Eleganza. I'm probably pronouncing that wrong, but Rodeo is all shut down. We're currently looking for parking and we arrived a little late. It's around 11:36 and the show started about an hour and a half ago. So apparently there's quite the lineup waiting for us. So we're gonna try to find some parking, and there's Max Showstack in the flesh. Check this out, guys. We've got a couple cars running around on the Father's Day's Concourse di Eleganza at a TDF. Looking pretty snazzy. Now the real trick is finding parking. We're in good company. We got a V8 F-Type. Excellent. Well done, sir. There he is.
Where do we park?
I have no idea. We're looking too. There he is, the Draken. Dan the man, trying to find parking over there. Luck is on our side. Apparently Bornstein and his friend are gonna hook it up with a monthly parking spot here. So I don't know what to expect. Kudos to him and his friend. Shout out to the big time Bornstein. Something I don't do very often because it is Bornstein after all. By the way, he says his car is in limp mode. I don't know what's going on, so we're gonna... Ooh, this is actually pretty sick. Alright guys, we got the ultimate hookup here on the top of the Wilshire. We got the Senna right around the corner, but we got a couple cars just driving around. The Rodeo Concourse is in full effect here. Got myself a little drinky drink as well. We got some Mclaren test drives happening below, but let's check out this party and see what the Senna is all about, guys. Oh, and there's a fake Performante over there.
So am I.
Alright guys, we got the ultimate hookup, the VIP Secret Rose Garden at the Beverly Wilshire. Ooh, look, a pink room. There he is, the Senna in the flesh again. Now, we saw this car in Geneva under the convention center. Now it's in the California, Los Angeles sunshine. Looking pretty damn decent. Honestly, I have to say, this looks a lot better than the Project One. If you want to make a comparison, I'd rather have this over the Mercedes Project One, but I don't know if that's really saying much. I think we're just going to do some car spawn here from the second floor of the Beverly Wilshire. We got a 599 with some questionable wheels, but sounds pretty damn good though. Look at that, we got a sick LT Spider just rolling through here. There's some car spawn up here, guys. Best vantage point. Now, word on the street is that the US spec Senna will have a different wing, possibly a different bumper, but only 2 exhausts. We got Adam Bornstein hooking up these ladies. All 3 of them getting the shot with the Senna. Absolutely perfect. Whoa, they're gonna, what? There's 3 of them. Whoa. Oh my goodness.
One more.
Adam, get this shot. Yes. I'm sorry guys, I should be more focused on this car and the downforce it produces and the horsepower and the specs, but that's just not happening. We got Bornstein locking it down. All this carbon fiber on the front lip here makes you wonder if there's a chip or it scrapes, what happens? You replace the whole damn thing? But I have to say though, this car is definitely sort of growing on me. And I'm not saying it's beautiful by any means, but it's alright. It's alright. There he goes. Here goes Dan.
We got it.
Oh, we got Adam blocking my shot.
My zoom is not as good as yours, Gordon.
My zoom is actually impeccable.
So get the fuck out of the way.
There you go. Oh, we got leapers. Got a couple leapers chasing the Draken down there. All right, I'm gonna zoom in. Do a pull. Yeah. Got the 1/8 amalgam scale Senna with a couple wine glasses here. This thing is really expensive. Awesome. They're getting a family photo with the dog front and center. Yes. And they got roses for you on the pink room. Alright guys, the moment that we have all been waiting for, we got the Senna. It's currently up there on the rooftop terrace. Got the Champion crane that's going to be picking up the car from up there on the rooftop terrace, dropping it back down here. Alright, who's seen Terminator 3 with a chase scene? This is the same exact one. 100% on the task, baby. Dude, forget the Senna. We got an SO65 Black Series. Oh no, it's gone. Out of nowhere too. Oh, someone just cut him off. He's turning into the street we're on. Maybe he'll park. Nice.
What if he parked right next to the COK GTR?
Oh, that'd be sick. But yeah, we're still waiting for this. Yeah, it's taking a while, guys. Sorry. Dude, check this out. We're waiting for the crane, and there's a dude all. Oh no, he disappeared. Well, he was all the way up there. Sorry, I missed it. Just hit the sign. Hold on. Oh, oh, oh! Hey! And there it goes. That's how the cookie crumbles. While we wait for this very tedious crane operation to commence. It hasn't even started, guys. I don't know. Here we go. We're sat on the stairs, just chilling here. There it goes. Hello, dog. Dude, the dogs are everywhere in Beverly Hills today. All right, the man, the serious operator, no fucks given operator, has gone back into the champion crane. Any minute, guys, I promise, any minute. Yeah, there's a man all the way up there just overseeing the operation. Oh, he's kind of, oh, there he is. Oh, there he is. Higher. A little bit higher. Well, look at that, guys. It's a V6 F-Type. Fantastic. And we got the Senna semi-suspended in there. Oh my God. Ooh, we got the officer getting the shot over there. Yeah. There we go, guys. This guy here has no idea. Look, he has no idea what's happening. Oh wait, no wait. Oh, he noticed. He saw it. He's just chilling, dude. He's not even flinching. Surprised they don't shut down the street for this.
Yeah.
You would think, right? Just for like 2 minutes? But, ooh. Bam. Guys, check out this goddamn tree. It's got thorns and spikes on it, man. You don't want to be touching the sandbox tree. Holy shit. That's not cool. Are they just putting the car cover inside, or are they going to cover the car up now? Ooh. Little brother meets big brother. Are they gonna push it or what? What do you guys think?
Is he gonna start it?
I don't know. I think they're just gonna roll it in to the trailer right here, guys. Sorry to disappoint you. There it is, guys. No startup of the Senna. First one in Beverly Hills on the streets, guys. There you go. Now we're rolling. There's the crane. I'm gonna head back out of here. It's not in focus. This video is a hot mess, guys. I apologize. Dude, that guy's just chilling with some porta potties. He's whipping the... Do you see that? He got like a rag. He was like whipping the car. All right, guys, moment truth. Let's see if I get another no front plate ticket. Oh, I think we're in business. Guys, check out this license plate. Wait. Alright guys, it is the end of the day, and yep, this is probably the worst parking I've ever seen in Beverly Hills. There you guys have it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to like, subscribe, blah, 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 whatever, we're done.